Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Slack for your company. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to start creating a working space on Slack. And the working space would be like the place where you can get your company or where you can manage your company. So simply you can go to the slack.com website and from there you will be able to get your working space. Or you can simply go to the enterprise plans and from there you can get to see all the plans of uh, Salesforce and you can find them here also in the pricing. So basically you will be needing to get a plan and basically you have this pro and from there you will find like all these features. You can find like see the features for the business plus or enterprise grade, etc, etc. So in my case I have just created a working space like a free trial. So basically you will be needing just to simply go and click on create a working space and from there you will be able to start adding the name and all the informations about the working space. So it will ask you for a name. You might add like a picture for your working space, and that's it. So now that you have created successfully a working space, you will be able to start managing it by adding channels. For example, each channels can be dedicated to a specific team, or for example, you can do whatever you'd like. So here you have these channels. You can just right click on it and from there you will find create. You can click on create channel. And by clicking on create channel, you might already find some templates. And basically this one would have messages, would have this canvas, project tracker, etc. And basically you can stick with these templates or you can simply go for a blank one. And after that, you will be needing just to click on next and you add the name for this channel and you can make it like a public so that anyone on the working space can join it or make it private and etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.